Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some floam slime. So you're going to need a bowl, some activator, any activator will work, but I'm using saline solution, some glue, foam beads, and food coloring is optional. So first add some glue into your bowl. I'm only going to be making a little bit. Then you can add in your color if you are adding some. I'm going to use purple, and so then you add that in. Then you mix it. So now you should add in your foam beads. They're kind of sticky. And then you want to mix. So now you want to add your baking soda, and you should only add 1 or 2 pinches. I'm going to add in 2. Then stir it. Then you should add in your activator, and make sure you add it slowly or else your slime will become hard. So as you can see, it is starting to form. If you add in too much baking soda, it will probably harden. So you can see it is pulling away from the bowl. So then you want to take it out and start kneading it. So now you want to knead your slime so that it is not sticky. And if you want more activator, you can add it in. So here is the slime. It's very nice and stretchy. And you can poke it, but it does not make very good sound. It is kind of crunchy. If you add more foam beads, it will be more crunchy. But I only wanted this much.